poppin' shit. You would think I went to school for chiropractic. Looking good as hell today, just sent my nigga fat.
Soldier boy, tough. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy. You just gotta punch, then crank back 3 times.
What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my channel. As you see by the title, I do have a wig install, and this wig install is from Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring this post. The hair info is 24 inches, 13x4 lace front, 33B Auburncolor, and it's in body wave, and it's 150% density. All of this information will be linked down in the description box, so if you're interested in this wig, which I know you will be because I love this wig. I know it says 150 density, but I swear if it was like 200, like the density is there, the length is there. Like literally absolutely love this wig so much. If you go to my Instagram, you will see different ways that I actually styled this wig other than this video. But thank you again, Beauty Forever Hair, for sponsoring this video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mckinlee Brooke. I make fashion vlogs, hair, beauty, that type of content. If you're interested in that type of content, head on over to my channel, click that like, subscribe, all those buttons. It helps me so much. Do not forget to like this video because it helps it reach more people, and more people who need a nice auburn hair wig for back to school, because this is some back to school hair. I'm definitely going to be reinstalling this wig. The lace was great, everything was great on this wig. I definitely give this a 10 out of 10. But I'm done rambling. Listen to this amazing music that I found for y'all, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.
It's not that I don't want you here. cloud chase, take off the Wi-Fi. Take off the money phone, take off the car loan, take off the flex and the white loss. Take off the mirror that's jewelry, I'ma take 10 steps, then I'm taking off top 5. Take off the fabricated streams and the microwave memes, it's a real world outside. Take off your idols, take off the runway, take off the Cairo. Take off the Sandro Pay, 5-day stay, take a quarter meal, hella value. Take off the fuck flag, take off perception, take off the pop with the iPad. Take off the allure, take off the unsure, take off decisions I had. Take off the fake deep, take off the fake woke, take off the I'm broke, I care. Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, that if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the Chanel, take off the Doja, take off the Birkin bag. Take all that designer bullshit off and what do you have?
Bitch, you ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about? Talk about us. You out of pocket. Who you think they carry up for us? You back in pocket. The world in a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run. The profits abandoned, the law take advantage, the market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box while they making a mockery following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for luck. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they come in my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, taking it personal, done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right. You hoping for change and miracles, I know the feelings they came with burials, cries. Bitch, you ugly as fuck. You out of pocket. 2 ATMs, you stepping to what? You out of pocket. Who you think they talk about? Talk about us. You out of pocket. Who you think they carry up for us? Serving up a look, dancing in a drop. Pedal to the big step, but never lose a count. Venting in the safe house. Venting in the safe. And I've been on my truth, I got nothing to lose. I got problems and fools, I can scream with my fate. Cameras moving whenever I'm moving. The family suing whatever I make. Murder is stacking, the president acting, the government taxing my funds in the bank. Homies attracting the fence when I'm wrecking. Look at my reaction, my pupils on skates. Hold up.
I should think about this for a second. Tell me what you would do for shit. When you show your show, don't credit. When you show your bro for leverage.
What a hypocrite said. What community feel they the only ones relevant? What a hypocrite said. What community feel they the only ones relevant? You out of pocket, you out of pocket. You entertain the mediocre, need to stop it. You entertaining old friends with me toxic. What your life like, bullshit and gossip. What the fuck is council go to doubt? Say what I want about you niggas, I'm like overdog. I treat you crackers like I'm Jigga, watch I own it all. Oh, you worry about a critic, that ain't protocol.
Respond to shit, move on. I'm like, fuck it, you trippin', go get it, I'm gone. They dropping locations, I'm getting it done. Fuck tweeting, you sliding, the feds come. You fucking his bitches, some niggas, his sons. I'm hanging with killers, we breaking, come on. They really don't mean it. He say it in his songs, they really don't mean it. He play it in songs. We been sliding through they blocks and they don't know we have. But he ass got shot and we ain't claim, but I can show his ass. Niggas acting like they really like that, says my brody dad. Just get out the feds, you bring up murders with your police ass. I told Vaughn to leave that bitch alone, she post her OnlyFans. Catch him at apartments, they be in, cause that's our only chance. They don't be outside like you think, they ass be on the gram. Old ops, fucking with my new ops. Oh man, that shit Murphy been through that shit like Ghostland. My brother D-Thing just got killed and I've been slow since. But we got back on their ass, I bet they know this. And on bro, I'm speaking facts, this ain't no this. Keep the police out my business, we don't post shit. Trigger happy, I be with Zoom and we don't force it. They like Dirk, his ass a singer, he won't smoke shit. You can bleed whatever you want, I got your folks here. Don't respond to shit, move on. I'm like, fuck it, you trippin', go get it, I'm gone. They dropping locations, I'm getting it done. I'm tweeting, you sliding, the feds come. You fucking his bitches, some niggas, his sons. I'm hanging with killers, we breaking, come on. They really don't mean it. He say it in his songs, they really don't mean it. He play it in songs. Talk about me and piss me off, and I'm like, yes. If you feel some type of way, you better slide and get revenge. He say therapy ain't helping, he been killing for a cleanse. She say she don't really got shit, but she so thirsty for a binge. I just made her suck my dick and I just nutted on her chin. I been feeling like Rico, I just fucked her in my Timbs. For school he said no pen, he rather carry him a gin. A 10, a fin, her 10. I'm saying, he spin. You need a pill to slide, he off all the milligrams, he been a fan. I say niggas really killing shit, post shit on Instagram. You doing that, you might as well go to court and say you killed a man. I don't claim niggas who be with ops, I tried to will them in. The trenches like a sport, you grab that ball and turn the fat, but that's why I love tomorrow.